Hey, what's happening guys? Shukesh here. So today I want to introduce to you this software called PassFab Android Unlock. So with this software you can unlock your Android devices if you forgot the password and you cannot get into your locked phone, whether you got a second hand phone which is locked with a passcode and your phone is useless. This software can help you. Another feature is remove Google FRP lock, which is the main talking point of today's video. The FRP unlock feature lets you quickly regain access to your Android devices, especially your Samsung phones, even early Samsung phones after a factory reset. To download PassFab Android Unlock and try it free of cost, check the description of this video for the direct link. Before I talk about the FRP unlock, let's quickly talk about the screen unlock feature. If your phone screen is broken and the screen is unresponsive, this software can help you bypass the lock. Whether you have a pattern, numerical, alphanumerical, even a fingerprint password, this software can work, but of course the data on the phone will be erased. The good news is if you have an early Samsung device, you can unlock without losing any data, like if you have Note 3, Note 4 or Galaxy S5, which I have with me. Now in the Google FRP unlock window, you have the option to choose the brand, the device name and the device model. If your device does not show up in this list, please click here. Meanwhile, this FRP unlock feature does not have any effect on your device. There will be no data loss. Now click here to choose the brand name. You have all these brands: Samsung, MI, Redmi, Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Huawei, OnePlus and also other devices are supported running on Android. We will go with Samsung for this demonstration. The first option is the universal removal mode, so no system version limits is there. You can also choose from other specific options. I will go with universal removal, and if you're not sure about device's OS version, click here. Now once again your device is not affected. So first thing first, let's connect my Galaxy S5 to my computer. After that, click remove now. You might see a window like that on your phone, so allow it. Here in the welcome screen of your phone, there is an emergency call button. So if your phone is locked, this might be useful, which will allow you to access the dialer without unlocking the phone or without setting up the device. Otherwise, on the normal dialer of your phone, dial this number *#0*#, which will open up this window, which is basically the diagnostic menu. That's all you need to do on your phone. Then come back to your computer and click next on the PassFab Android Unlock app. The Google FRP lock removal has started. Just do not operate your phone. You might see a window like this on your phone for allowing USB debugging, so always allow it. And all you need to do is wait for it to finish. I'm not speeding up this process, and of course the process is very fast. It's almost finished. There you go, it's finished and the phone will now restart. Let's wait for it. There you go. And the software is also done removing the Google FRP lock from your Samsung device. So this is how you can do it with a single click on the PassFab Android Unlock. Simply wait for the phone to restart and set up. There you go, the phone is ready. So this is where you can download the PassFab Android Unlock. The link is in the description of this video. This is a 2-in-1 removal tool for Android screen and FRP lock, as I demonstrated. It supports the latest Android 16 as well. You can try it free of cost, as I mentioned before. There is both Windows and Mac versions of PassFab Android Unlock. Now if you want to purchase it, the pricing is here. The good news is new year discount is going on. $25 for 1 month, $40 for 1 year license, but I would suggest you to go for the lifetime license at $50. And with this code you can get extra 30% discount. So it's a limited time offer. Check the description for the link to this website. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Shukesh signing off.